To check your account balance on Quicken, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the software to easily find your balance. Step 1. Open Quicken. Launch the Quicken application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your financial information. Step 2. Go to the accounts page. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the account. From the list of accounts, find and click on the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be a bank account, credit card, or investment account. Step 4. View account details. After selecting the account, look for the account details section. Here, you will see your current balance displayed prominently, along with recent transactions. Step 5. Refresh if necessary. If the balance does not seem up to date, click on the Update or Sync button to refresh your account information. This will ensure you are viewing the latest balance. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Quicken. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances more effectively.